Hair is wet. Oh! You need to leave. Mom, see? We gotta pick a blow dryer because it's a couple of them. Whichever one fall out, that's the one we're gonna use. Yeah, bud. 50 hours later. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have P come over here and help me put this shit in here. So once it's here, we're gonna set it down. I ain't gonna put too much when she come in here and do her hair and shit. Cause I know she just got out the shower. She just got out the shower. She gonna come access my blow dryer. And when she turn it on, it's about to get lit. Oh shit. Hey B. Hey sis. What you doing? Look at this phone. Shit! Another flower, right? I think. Let's see, nothing. I'm gonna get a towel. Get a towel. Wipe this off. Alright, y'all. Wipe it off so she don't see nothing. She don't see nothing. She would be so pissed. Alright. So first of all, alright, let's go take this in the kitchen. Come on. Good morning. We watched it. It's not even good. Good, Sal. You want me to watch it for you?
No.
Huh?
No.
I can?
No, I'm okay. I got it.
Okay. Why you say no?
Because I don't want you to wash my hair.
Okay.
You paid your gas bill?
Huh?
You paid your gas bill?
Yeah, why? Oh, it's not getting hot?
No.
It gotta be like, I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's like real high tech. You can't find it nowhere else. Hold on. If the water ain't getting that hot, you gotta keep it right here. If the water ain't getting that hot.
You still feel cold.
Do it?
Yeah.
Let me see.
I'm gonna need it to sink in a minute.
Huh?
Okay.
It's working?
This shit ain't no cold as fuck. We ain't got no big towels. Who just ain't got big towels in their bathroom? That's stupid.
This should work. Got some. I don't think I got no big ones for real. Here, I can help you wipe.
No.
Do you want me to help you?
No.
Alright. Why do you keep saying no? Like,
Because I don't need help.
your hair is good.
Thank you.
Oh, this is good. You still got some soap in it though.
I hear it.
You hear it? Hey sis,
What?
do you have any what you call it, belts My belt got too big. You see it?
I
On
probably
all the clothes.
I think I did.
Hey, Ma. No, you still going. Ma, look at my belt. You on that stuff. Okay. That's not it. Let me see. See? I can put my whole arm in there. You on that stuff. Mom, come on now. You is. I seen you. Well, I'm glad this much of my belly gone. Let me see. Your stomach was this big? Yeah. Yeet the damn D. It really was. What y'all doing? She just brushed hair. I use my blow dryer. What you gonna do?
Why don't you plug her stuff over there?
Huh? Oh, you have to blow dry dread?
Plug her up over there.
I'm gonna just sit.
I
I
don't
gotta.
have to. I can just leave like this, but
Y'all just need to do this. So while y'all live in Houston, so y'all can be cool outside. Yeah?
wait.
You need to stop saying that.
Wait.
Why? Where did you get that soap from?
Cause my hair is wet. Oh!
Why
What's
would
wrong with
you
the
do
blow
that?
dryer? Who did that?
Bro, it smells like it's burned.
What's wrong with the blow dryer? What's out? What happened? Are you serious? She got that on me. Why did you put that on me, Takia? Are you serious?
What did you do?
Wait. That probably from when y'all was moving and packing and that some spilled on the blow dryer.
Ain't no way.
What do you mean? No way. This
Your
your
appointment is in
blow
15 minutes. You better go. Just wipe it off and just tell them it's died. Just leave it.
Man,
Just
you
leave
better
it.
get a retwist.
No, just leave it. It's just wipe it off and just still go to your appointment. Just tell them it's died or I'm prematurely gray. Come on, we gotta go. What's funny, Takia? I'm just saying we gotta go. What are you doing?
Yeah. My kid, I'm just trying to help her.
irritating.
Bro, I'm trying to help you.
Everything is funny. Everything is not funny.
Bro, let me
We gotta-
No!
Hey,
I'm
move.
gonna get it out her
Everything is not
hair.
fun. No, leave her
Oh,
alone.
she's talking about
You're
everything.
always doing stuff,
Takia,
bro.
I'm about to-
No, get off of me.
I'm confused. Cause somebody tell me.
Mom.
Irritating.
She always trying
Cause
to
she always destroying something. Cause somebody else's. I got an appointment. And you not gonna. No,
I'm
move,
finna-
get away from me, bro. Cancel my appointment.
No,
Move.
Takia, I'm finna help you. What is it? What did you ruin?
I'm accident, Mom. I did a prank on her on accident.
Oh, this a prank? I thought the dryer got some.
Irritating.
Why do you keep pranking people, Binky? It's 8 o'clock in the
She
morning.
mad at me on accident.
Because I have an appointment.
Sis, I'm about to
And I was
fix it.
been supposed to be there.
Alright, okay, sis. Come here, let's see.
No, don't touch
helping
me.
you. I'm helping
Stop.
you. You gotta get it out.
She could have just told the people her hair was gray.
Mama.
Huh?
It's not even funny.
Sis, I'm
Stop
putting
putting
soap
stuff in
in
my
I'm
hair.
trying to get the
Move.
flower. Takia, do you want the flower in there or not? I have to get it out.
Oh, she crying, Binky. It's okay.
Yeah, stop crying.
You don't get off
I'm
of me.
trying to help you.
I
Stop.
don't need help. Dang, that's why I didn't want you to help in the first place. I knew you was gonna do some stupid stuff.
Takia, okay.
Dang, no.
All
Hey,
right.
Binks, you guys started these raw pranks and they're a little
Mom.
rough. They're a little rough. I think they're a little rough. She's crying and there's gook all over everywhere.
I'm finna help her. Let me get the bag.
No.
Takia, for real.
Hey,
Okay,
Beans.
well, she don't want me to help her.
Bean.
All right, got Mom, for real.
Bean.
Mom, get out. Cause you acting like the one of the get out.
Why do you do this? You said you're gonna start raw pranks and then all of a sudden you're ruining everybody's lives.
Mommy, get out. It was just a prank. She gonna be
You
okay.
shouldn't cry. You just told the people you have gray hair, prematurely gray.
Mom, seriously, stop playing around.
It's too late now. I can't even go.
Yes, you can. Let me help you, but you still have.
Don't touch me.
You made her cry. Apologize.
What you crying too?
Yeah, because I get sad when they sad. Mr. Spot.
All right, Takia, I'm gonna just get you a towel. Do you need help?
No.
Mr. Spot.
Sis,
I can't help you.
Mom, for real, stop.
I'm trying to help you.
You making it worse.
You ruined it.
Just tell her I'm sorry then. Takia, for real, sis, for real. You mad at me?
Turn the camera off. You need to stop it.
All right, Mom. I'm finna
This
stop
is
it.
fucking
All right, Mom.
ridiculous.
Okay.
This is
All right,
fucking
all right.
ridiculous.
All right, guys. Make sure y'all smash the like button. Comment down below.
Don't
Hit that
like
plus.
shit.
Oh, Mom.
You need to stop.
Mom, I'm gonna go outside.
You need to leave. You need to leave.
Mom, see? Well, obviously they don't want me here. They're upset with me, and this crazy lady is at the door. Make sure you smash the like button, comment down below, hit that post notification bell so you know whenever we post, you dig. Big Stir is back with the bangers, you dig. Let's go.